In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get Arclight on the M34 Novaline marksman rifle here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up the gunsmith, go to the customize tab, and go to the camo section where you're going to find a co-op campaign, multiplayer, and zombies tab. Go ahead and select the multiplayer tab. And within this section, you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to Arclight. Now, overall, this isn't too bad to do. There are a few prerequisites that you are going to have to knock out. First things first, and the most obvious one, get Shattered Gold here on the M34 Novaline. I have a full video breaking down the best strategy to use in order to knock this out. This includes all the military camos and the special camos, so I highly recommend checking that out, as well as checking out the other videos on the other two marksman rifles, just because you are going to need to go ahead and get Shattered Gold on 3 marksman rifles total here in Black Ops 7 in order to even unlock the challenges to get Arclight here on the M34 Novaline. Make sure to check those videos out. It's going to break down literally every single individual strategy that you can use to get all the military camos and the special camos as well. But once you do have Shattered Gold on all 3 marksman rifles, come back to this video and we can dive into Arclight, assuming that you now do have Shattered Gold though. You just need to get 10 double kills or better with the M34 Novaline, and the strategy is overall pretty simple to go ahead and knock out. What you're going to want to use for this one, since the range of this weapon is pretty solid, is actually going to be Domination. Now, Domination on small maps I find does work the best, and you can even use Hardcore Domination if you choose to do so, but essentially go ahead and load into Domination or Hardcore Domination on Nuketown or Hijacked, and then just go ahead and just set yourself up with a nice viewpoint of the B zone, because that's going to be the most commonly visited zones here in Domination. And essentially wait for 2 people to go in there and get, a kill on each of them in quick succession to knock out a double kill, and then repeat this process 9 more times. This should only take you 1 to 2 games max. On hardcore, it could even take 1 game max, since domination matches are a little bit longer and hardcore you kill a lot faster. But if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.